Hello everyone, let's start the stream. This is the first stream in 2022. I hope everyone spent great holidays and now we are ready to move on. As usual, we are starting from watching after BTC. I really want to put your attention to the very interesting fact, and namely the so-called divergence between two graphs. The first one, Bitcoin dominance, BTC point D. Look at this. Can you hear me well? Here we see the graph of dominance. Just a moment. One, two, three. Can you hear me? One, two, three. Can everyone hear me? BTC point D. Okay, we have solved the problem. As I said, as usual, we are starting from watching after BTC, and here the very important graph, BTC point D, it reflects the dominance of Bitcoin. That is looking for shorts, and it means that BTC is becoming weaker than market. See this formation, look at this, it looks extremely ready for shorts. It lacks only one touch there before the great fall down, and it means and BTC is becoming weaker and weaker. And the second graph I would like to put your attention on is the graph of total 2, or the dominance of altcoins. The graph shows us readiness for uptrend movement. You see the positive angle. You see here how the price is accelerating for the uptrend. From this point, we saw the rebounds from the extremely strong level of support. The divergence show us that the capital flow could shift from BTC to altcoins. Of course, I must aware you that it doesn't mean that all altcoins are going to be pumped. In fact, most of them are risky to fall after BTC, so be extremely careful. Okay, let's look at BTC. At this point, BTC still has more probability to go for deeper correction. It could break through this level, retest, and go deeper till 29,000, 30,000 for this zone, where there are a huge amount of buyers limit orders. The situation extremely unstable. Of course, it could be rebounds from that level, going higher and consolidating around 51, 52, and then going upper. But I think the most probable scenario is going for deeper correction. As I said, the situation is extremely unstable. Ethereum, let's look. It looks much stable and ready for long movement rather than BTC. As I have already mentioned, Ethereum leads the group of new dominance, the projects that are stronger than the market. Let's see what's happening in the order book. Ethereum. Be careful, there are less participants, and just look for the huge amounts of limit orders or enter the market using pullback strategy. Look for strong points of controlling clusters at such a market. It works even better than huge amounts of limit orders in the order book. We see obvious lack of limits, of limit orders, of great amounts of it, and just use the point of control. But be careful. Let's move on. Matic. Matic is extremely strong. It calls the shots, showing the real dominance. But be careful as well trading intraday. The price is close to correction. Look at this. Sorry. Look at this. Now it's forming a kind of head and shoulders pattern. Here we see that level, and the price is close to reverse movement. So the second shoulder means that it could bring correction to 1.9. Now look at the order book. Okay, please find huge amounts of limit orders like that. I have already set special levels. Just catch good correction from these levels, this pile of limit orders, as soon as the price will be around this zone. You will be lucky if you catch this movement from this point, and it's a very good chance for enter the market. The next instrument is Draggycoin. Look at this. The price is on the edge of deep correction. It looks like the attempt of retest. I recommend searching for huge amounts of limit orders as well here to catch downtrend movement. It could be very long, right till the point of market profile. In the order book, keep searching for support amounts of limit orders. Let's see. Here we see huge amount of limit orders, and as soon as the price will be around there, I recommend searching for proper entry point for shorts. There is a great probability of getting deeper, at least to retest, to refresh this low about 0.1307. Okay, In the order book, you should always keep searching for such great amounts and setting the stop loss behind it. Let's move on. The next instrument is ADA. Oh, look how this level is being tested. The price has touched this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. The liquidity under this level is accumulated well enough, I think. And I recommend searching limit orders somewhere here to apply breakout strategy for shorts, and the amount of participant stop losses will probably bring great impulse. Or find some resistance on this level to enter shorts pullback deal. Now let's look at the order book. Here we see the greatest opportunity for shorts. And here we see some points of control. This zone creates extremely good resistance for shorts. You can enter right now and catch the movement till this point, and then you can add some positions applying breakthrough strategy. The next instrument is DOT. The same story, rebounding from this level, but the instrument still looks for going down. What's happening in the order book? Yes, the great resistance here. Just wait the price to come closer to 27.9, but it would be much more reliable if such great amounts of limit orders are placed at round prices. It's much more better and reliable. Like this, for example, 20k standing at 28.0, the great amount. So you should wait for opportunity to go shorts. The next, Alice. From the very beginning, I see the great point for shorts somewhere there. To short after retest of broken level is usually a great opportunity. Let's look. Yes, this is the good level. This is the good zone for entry. Be ready to short from this zone. It will be the great deal because I really prefer entering the market after the price breaks the level, then retesting it, and if we have reliable amount of limit orders somewhere there, somewhere here, it will be great deal. It will be great shorts. The next instrument looks the same. The breakthrough of the level, retest, and here you should find some reliable amount of limit orders to enter short positions. There are no reliable amounts, but sometimes you could use some points of control, some cluster information that would be great resistance zone somewhere there, from which you can enter shorts. link. The instrument is inside the consolidation. Inside the range. Now the instrument is grabbing liquidity behind both sides of this range. So I do not recommend entering market while the instrument is consolidating inside the range. So be patient, and we should wait when the price comes to one of these borders. If it shows small consolidation, it will be a great opportunity to enter breakout strategy. And the last instrument, LTC. The greatest opportunity for shorts. We see the ideal situation when the strong and quite obvious level was broken, then retested, and here we should find some reliable amounts of limit orders. Let's look. So for now, I don't see any reliable amounts of limit orders, and the price is blocked between some amounts. So I do not recommend trading such situation. We should always know the price, know the point where we should enter. So as well, I do not see any zone where we should place the stop loss. So I do not recommend use this situation. Okay, it was a short stream. Be careful, be profitable. Thank you for your attention.